Guys, welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to learn about how to write the GIT commands and push the code to the GIT repository. We'll create a new repository from scratch. So in this video, we are going to use the example of the Google API integration code, which I have written in my previous video, and push it to the repository. We'll show all the steps. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and push our changes to the GIT repository. We are going to push the changes of the code which we just wrote, which is a Google Gemini integration with the Python. We used this to create the Fibonacci series, and to start off, we'll first use the echo command and create a file which will be the readme file. I'm going to give the name of the repository which I'm going to use. Integration with Google readme.md. Once we have created this, you see this file has got created, and inside this we have the details of the repository. Now we'll use GIT init to initialize the repository. GIT status will show us the status of the files which are yet to be committed. So to commit them up, use GIT add and dot will add all the files. Again, see the status. All the green files right now will indicate that these files are already added to the repository. Now to commit them up, we'll use commit -m. M is for messages, and we can write it as add files. So once we have added, we will create a branch, which is local branch, -m, main. Now we'll set the remote branch by adding remote, add origin, and this is the link of the branch which I have created. So once this is added, I will push my changes, GIT push -u, origin, and main. You can see that these changes have got added. So let's open our directory. This is our directory. Just refresh it. The files have got added over here. See the changes. Perfect. So this way we can push our changes to the GIT repository.